In here we're going to be putting a bench pantry, a bench bifolding pantry, so you can put it on the bench, going to the top of the fridge panel cupboard, and we just need to make sure that we know whereabouts our studs are. So it's a good idea to find where the studs are, mark it in the cabinet, put a drill hole in your cupboard of where your actual stud is, because of course once you get the cupboard up you won't be able to see what's at the back of the wall. And if you do have any PowerPoints or anything like that are actually going through cupboards, also to drill those before you actually put the cupboard up. Okay, fitting the bifold pantry cupboard on the bench top. You'll notice that one of the beauty of having custom sized cabinets is that we've built this cupboard here to go around this existing pelmet. So if you're stuck with sort of modular style cupboards, you either end up with a big filler or you just simply end up with a cupboard that doesn't actually fit.